Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, and good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with a picture from Lynn Richardson. This was this morning's sunrise. Taken outside the Powell Industrial Complex. Well, they had the rain tracks on the grain elevator there. Cool looking shot, though, huh? Take a look at the sunset. This comes from Loretta Groff Hurley. This is back behind the rims. And look at the orange sky. That is just all smoke, folks, being highlighted by the smoke out there, by the sun. Now, take a look at this. Here's what's happening in Billings right now. Not a bad night for us right now. Currently, we have clear skies, 76 degrees. And as I look at this, it's hard to tell if there's any smoke. If there is, it's very light smoke. It's really not too bad right now. Wind south right now at about 8 miles per hour. And as you'll see here, our high temperature today topped out at 89 degrees. Your normal high 87, so actually a little above the norm. The record was 100 back in 2003. Record low was 43 back in 1944 during World War II. What about precipitation? Nothing new to add to the total. So we're still a little bit below normal for the month, but still way ahead of normal for the year at 15.17 inches. And as you see, we still got air quality problems, especially out in the northwestern corner of the state. That's an air quality warning until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Got a lot of ash and particulate matter in the air, and it's just hard to breathe if you don't have a respiratory filter or anything like that. And then also starting tomorrow and going until Friday, Thursday at midnight, we have another fire weather watch out there. Once again, fires could get going in a hurry because of high winds and low humidity. That's going to be a problem in southwestern Montana. That's expected to expand into the rest of the mountains later on Friday into Saturday. But in the meantime, let's talk about air quality. Look at this up in the northwest corner of the state. That is all unhealthy air. Everywhere else, we're looking at generally moderate to good air until you get to Yellowstone Park, and then we're back to unhealthy air in that area, just all because of the smoke. And as you'll see here, our current temperatures, 60s and 70s across much of Montana. We're a little cooler over here at Sheridan, 63 degrees, 64 over there at the Whirlwind. You see 61 over at Butte right now. That's one of the cool corners of the spot of the state. And right now, you'll notice our current temps, 70s, 80s, even a few 90s out here, 80, 90s that are reported highs today. 90 in Livingston. It was 91 over at Missoula, across the highline into the 90s there. So it was a really hot day across the region, but not as hot as it has been. But it is expected to get a little bit hotter the next day or so. Now, all the moisture, nothing here across Montana. Our thunderstorm outlook shows all the rain continues to make its way around the Black Hills of South Dakota. Let's go there now and see. We got an upper level low pressure cell there. It started way back here in Montana this morning in Carter County, and you still see a couple of scattered showers there. But it's all kind of being wrapped around into that low pressure cell. We'll pull back here and show it. You can see the cloudy skies just kind of pulled on into that low pressure cell. That low will continue to move off towards the east. As it does so, new high pressure will start moving in. It'll take some of this monsoon moisture and push it right up in towards the southwest corner of Montana tomorrow and again probably on Friday. So at the surface, there's your high pressure cell moving through, kind of bringing mostly sunny skies and warmer temperatures will be moving into the state. Then by the time Thursday night gets here, looks like maybe a couple of spotty showers moving in towards the southwest corner of the state. Low pressure cell comes out of the Great Basin area by Friday and starts moving a little bit closer to us, and you'll see some scattered rain showers develop out across the southwestern corner of the state. Billings could get some rain later on Friday night. But tonight, temps cool back down to the 40s and 50s out west. Back here in the east, also into the 50s with generally clear skies. Tomorrow, we're back into the 90s, 96 at Hardin, 93 Billings, same thing in Miles City. In the far west, 90s out there as well. Now, tonight in the Billings area, at midnight, it'll be 73 with clear skies. Clear in the morning and back up to maybe 90 by 6 p.m. with mostly sunny skies and a few high clouds by 6 p.m. as well. Next 7 days, we've got 90s through Thursday and Friday, 81 on Saturday. Got a cold front moving through with a slight chance of rain. We'll cool it down into the 70s on Sunday and Monday and back to the 80s next week. Let's go back to the desk.